Hello, my name is Sharon Krister, Mr. Krister. I'm here to do your respiratory and cardiac exam. So first I'm going to start by observing your breathing, which appears symmetrical. There does not appear to be any use of accessory muscles. I'm noticing your rate is within normal limits, and there doesn't appear to be any acute distress. So no audible wheezing or stridor noted. I'm going to move in and assess your trachea, which appears to be midline and symmetrical. There doesn't appear to be any deviations, no crepitus. So noticing the landmarks of your clavicle, your sternal notch, the angle of Lewis, the sternum, your xiphoid process, prominence of the ribs, and the costal angle. So next I'm going to have you turn to the side. I'm going to check for your diaphragmatic breathing. So I want you to take a deep breath. Again, my thumbs appear to be moving up symmetrically. So I'm going to ask you then to repeat after me. Say 99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99.
99.
Okay, please place forward. So now I'm going to observe for the diaphragmatic expansion frontal, and again, chest appears symmetrical. I'm going to have you repeat after me. So 99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99.
99.
Okay. So that's, I think we'll get a chest measurement. So I'm going to have you turn. You can drop your arms. 52. Okay, so now I'm going to have you turn to the other side. I'd like you to cross your arms over your stomach, lean forward and take a deep breath and hold. And breathe. Okay. I'd like you to raise your arms, take a deep breath and hold. And breathe. Okay, you can face forward. I want you to raise your arms above your head, take a deep breath and hold. And breathe. Okay. So next I'm going to turn you back to the side, and we're going to measure your diaphragmatic measurement. So I'm going to have you do the same thing, cross your arms over your stomach, lean forward, take a deep breath and hold. And the point of dullness would mark the liver. And breathe. Breathe. And so now I'd have you to breathe normal for a few breaths. I'm going to have you take another deep breath and push it out. The point where the resonance returns is the point of the diaphragm. Breathe. And do the same thing on this side. Take a deep breath. Hold. Push it out. Breathe. Okay, this time again, deep breath, push it out. Deep breath, push it out. Hold. And breathe. Now I will take a measurement, recording the difference between the two. We have 5, and 4.5, so a 0.5 centimeter difference. Okay, so now I'm going to have you face forward. I'm going to listen to your lungs. Take a deep breath. Again. 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 Rest. Big breath. Again. 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 Okay, if you can hold your arms up. Deep breath. Again. Big breath. Yeah. Okay, can rest down. Okay, now I'm going to check for vocal resonance. I have you say 99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99,
99.
99.
Okay, so that concludes our respiratory exam. I'm going to start with the cardiac. And so first I'm going to inspect your precordium. I'm going to be checking for any lifts, thrills, or heaves. Also noting any pulsations or apical impulses. Palpating the apex. I'm going to be assessing the heart rate here. I'm going to have you lean forward. Leaning forward brings the heart closer to the chest wall and identifying the point of maximal impulse. Okay, lean back. Next I'm going to listen to the heart sounds. Starting with the aorta, the pulmonic, moving down the left sternal border to the Erb's point, the tricuspid, over from the fifth intercostal space to the midclavicular line, and again at the apex. Lean forward. Okay, great. Lean back. So now we're going to move over to the couch. I'm going to have you on your back. Again, at eye level, I will be assessing for the precordium, checking for any lifts, thrills, or heaves, and also checking at the apex. Okay, going to listen to the heart. I want you to take some deep breaths and hold. Hold. And the tricuspid. And again over to the apex. Okay, I'm going to have you turn to your left side. Turning to the left side is the best position to auscultate the apex. Take a deep breath and hold. Okay, thank you. So I was able to auscultate S1 and S2. No S3 or 4 were audible. There were also no snaps, clicks, rubs, or murmurs. He has a regular heart rate, regular rate and rhythm of heart, and this concludes the exam. Thank you.